All right, now let's implement the indexOf method. So public int indexOf this item. What should we do here? We need to traverse this list, starting from the beginning all the way to the end. As soon as we find an item with this value, we're going to return the index of that item. But we don't have indexes here. So how are we going to implement that? Well, we can declare a variable index and initially set it to 0. Then as we're traversing this list, we increment this index. So we need another variable. Let's say current, we set this to the first node. Now we need the while loop. As long as current is not null, which means we haven't reached the end of the list, we need to compare the value of the current node with this item. So if current.value equals this item, we want to return the current index. So we return index. Otherwise, we're going to set current to the next node. So we set current to current.next. And at the same time, we should also increment index. Now, if we reach the end of the list and we can't find the node with this value, we need to return -1. All right, now let's test our code. So back to the main class. We added a few items here. Now let's print list.indexOf10. So we get 0, beautiful. What about index of 30, the last item? Always look for these edge cases. That is 2, perfect. And finally, an item that doesn't exist in the list. So -1, beautiful. Next, we're going to implement the contains method.